Rebuilding your credit. After bankruptcy, a step-by-step guide. Filing for bankruptcy can feel overwhelming, but it's not the end of your financial life. It can be a reset, allowing you to rebuild your credit faster than you think. Understanding how bankruptcy affects your credit is crucial. It lowers your credit score because it's seen as a significant negative event. The court records, discharged accounts, and late payments communicate to lenders your past struggles. But remember, the impact lessens over time. Recent financial activity weighs more than older issues. Let's break down the steps you can take to improve your credit after bankruptcy. First, check your credit report for errors. You get a free report annually from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion at annualcreditreport.com. Mistakes like incorrect discharge dates or duplicate accounts could be dragging your score down. If you identify errors, dispute them directly with the credit bureaus. This process can clear inaccuracies and speed up your recovery. Next, build healthy financial habits. Create a budget that prioritizes essential expenses like housing and food. Allocate funds towards savings and debt repayment to set up a strong foundation. An emergency fund, even a small one, can keep you from falling into debt again. Avoid late payments by setting up reminders or automated payments. Your payment history is crucial for rebuilding your credit. Once your finances are stable, use credit building tools. A credit builder loan allows you to make on-time payments, improving your credit history. Secured credit cards function like regular cards, requiring a deposit that acts as your limit. Responsible use of these tools helps establish a positive credit history. Managing credit wisely is vital for improving your score. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally under 10%. Apply for new credit sparingly, as too many inquiries can lower your score. Ensure you pay your bills on time and in full to strengthen your credit profile. As your credit score improves, prepare for major purchases like a car or home. Save for a larger down payment to reduce loan amounts and find lower interest rates. Compare lenders to secure the best terms and consider pre-qualification offers to avoid hard inquiries on your credit. While rebuilding, avoid common mistakes. Don't apply for too much credit too soon, as this can create multiple hard inquiries. Keep old accounts open to maintain your credit history length and regularly check your reports for errors. Bankruptcy is a setback but doesn't determine your future. With a consistent approach and smart financial decisions, you can rebuild your credit faster than expected. Start checking your credit report, establish good habits, utilize credit building tools, and be mindful of mistakes that could hamper your progress. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Begin your journey towards a healthier credit score today.